Hello everyone, ProjectPro Joe here. Today, we're going to discuss project material planning. Let's get started by navigating to projects and locating Project 2006. Initially, I've loaded the budget for the required materials into my project planning lines. Now it's time to plan for these materials. I'll go into project material planning. In this worksheet, I'll import from the budget all the materials needed for the project, whether they are issued from inventory or require a purchase order. Here, all the necessary items are listed. As I require various materials, I'll typically enter a document number and an expected arrival date for those materials. At the beginning of the project, some items might need to be pre-ordered. In this instance, there's a demand for 82 units. An outstanding purchase order exists for 80, and I've already received 2. So the entire 82 have been ordered, 2 have arrived, leaving a back order for 80. For materials still needed, the balance required is 0. However, for some items, orders are still needed. For example, this particular item requires an order of 600 units. To proceed, I can highlight that line, assign a unique document number, and set an order by date. Then, I navigate to the requisition worksheet by document number. This is where the details will be transferred. Here, I confirm the item, quantity, and vendor from whom I want to make the purchase. In most companies, this is the point where the project manager's role concludes. Later, a purchasing manager reviews the requisition worksheet demands across various projects. If everything looks satisfactory, the purchasing manager can execute the action message to create the purchase order. Once the purchase order is created, I can track its status here. A notable feature of the material planning worksheet is the ability to stage material. For instance, in this case, a purchase order for 82 units exists. I've already received 2 of those units. This material will be costed to the job upon receipt, but is not delivered to the job site. In this scenario, the purchase order is tagged as staged, so while it's costed to the job, it is tracked separately in a staged material worksheet. When the time is right, I can generate a report to produce a delivery ticket for transporting all staged materials to the job site. And that's material planning. See you on the job site.